This is Richard from Reroof, and I just want to show you a couple things here. This is what we call a dig valley up here. You can see how it's very low slope and it comes down. Before we came here, they had a wall right here, and then they had it boxed out right here. Let me show you with a shingle. They had it boxed out just like this. So what happened was, is the water did not get out of this valley. And what it did is it leaked inside on the other side, rotted all that wood out. So what we've done is we pulled this wall out of here, and we took our fuel stick and we've run our fuel stick up the wall here. And when we run it up the wall, we put our flashing in. Then we take our rubber and run it up. That's what separates Reroof from a lot of different companies. We've tore this all apart in here, took all this plywood out of here to get this right. We encourage the water to come in here now because there's no way it can possibly leak with that rubber going up the wall. We've got flashing in there, we've got peel and stick in there, and we're gonna walk over here to the other side and I'm gonna show you exactly what happened with the knee wall. Here you can see, they had the knee wall in here, it built out to here, and then it cut back here like this. But what it did is it rotted all this wood out in here. This lady's had leaks and leaks and leaks and leaks. The last roofer that was here decided he put a knee wall and stopped the water from running down through here. We're going to do the same thing we did on the other side. We're going to run that peel and stick all the way up the wall, put our flashing in there, and then put our rubber in there. And we're going to put a return past the corner of the wall so the water can get out away from it. This is what separates a good roofer from a roofer that doesn't know what he's doing. Thank you. Hi, this is Richard from Reroof, and we're back on the job. We were here yesterday. I went through everything yesterday. We had this all tore out yesterday. Remember, we could see the rafters in here. We could see everything in here, the insulation in the attic. Well, it's all put back. I just want to give you a little bit of how, before there was a wall that sat here and followed all the way back through. We removed that whole wall so we could get the water to flow down through here. So what we've got now is we've got the peel and stick going up the wall. We've got our metal in there behind this cap sheet. The cap sheet goes up over and all the way up to the top of the wall. Then we box it out with another piece of metal covering over the top. But we put all new fascia in here, all softened in here. Before there was nothing in here. The wall was out here. And then down here we have our kick out. And what that's going to do is going to allow that water to get out past that corner. And you can see we wrapped it with rubber so everything matches. But it's going to allow the water, when it gets here, it's just going to flow right out past that corner, so we don't have no water getting near that corner. And you can take a look, it's wide open up through there. The water can just flow down through there. I want to show you the cap real quick. These shingles are rated for 130 mile an hour. These caps are rated for 130 mile an hour. These are not 90 mile an hour cap. They're rated the same as the shingle, 90 mile an hour or 130 mile an hour. We'll take you around the back here and just show you back here. These are our vents. They're all hurricane. They got hurricane guards on them. We noticed a few years back when the hurricanes came, what would happen is it didn't have this guard on it. When the wind would blow in the hurricane, it would blow the water up in here. Well, now it's got a hurricane guard. The water can't get in there. It hits this, it stops it. It can't get in there.